Mahenya maya maria a Kenya maretereire na njira nene nimambiriirie umuthi rucini mathaa ma thaa 3 kuringana na mutaratara uria urekereirio ni kiama kia mahenya thiini wa thi IAAF. A Kenya Dominic Kipkemboi na George Manang'oi ihenya ria mita 1500 ni marikia kwigwatira tigiti wa semi-finals ihenya-ini riri. Dominic ahuthira dakika 3 na sekondi 48 nake murunawe George Manang'oi ahuthira dakika 3 na sekondi 55.
At the moment, and they'll come into the home straight, and we'll see a battle for first and second. First four qualify, remember, so it'll be interesting to see what goes on behind them. But
Mukenya Mary Mora nake aigira Ikereka ria semis ihenya-ini ria mita 400 akihuthira sekondi 54.7 maria ni moimirira make mega makiria uteng'eri-ini wake.
At the moment, and they'll come into the home straight, and we'll see it.
Mathaa-ini ma thaa 10 mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni erigiriirwo kuhingura mahenya maya o ndumwe na kunyita ageni aria mekinyitie guku bururi-ini kuma na nja. Mahenya maya maria marehete hamwe makiria ma mabũrũri 130 na ateng'eri makiria ma 2,000 magatirihwo muthenya wa Kiumia. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV riakwa ni Mugure mwari wa Karuiru.